Hey everybody, in this video got another American 1100. This is out of a 6-pack. Got this and 2 more left to pick. There's our bidding on this. 83, can't read it, 663. And we'll see if we can get it open here. All these old picks sitting here, been through battles. And this one is probably time to put in the trash. I've said it before, I wish Peterson handles were like these Rytan handles, or the Rytan handles. Peterson, oh, that worked. That happens on a lot of long pins, and you just got to push the short ones. The long ones damn near set themselves. That's not gonna fit. And that's what she said. I guess we can lock it back here since we do have a key. Actually, we do this on a pinning tray since there's remnants of another lock right there. So I'll just start with 5 over here. So we got serrated and we got spool. Number 3 is serrated, didn't want to fall out. 2 serrated, and 1 also doesn't want to come out. Serrated, so dumping key pins everywhere. Sloppy. Alright, anyway. Nothing too special about this. Driver pins we had 1, 2, 3 serrated, 4 a spool, and 5 serrated. And these key pins, the rest of these were all stock, so I don't have any reason to think this one will be any different than that. But number 2, there's a 3 pins, it's got to be right there. And number 4 is a 6 pin, so that'll be there. Number 1, these are all greasy. And 5, so all stock pins and everything, nothing too crazy. So there's all of our pins, something that everyone in the lock sport has probably seen a million times. You got all serrated key pins. Those are all the key pins, 3 and above are serrated. And then there's our drivers here, starting at number 1, 2 in the shadow there, 3, 4, and 5. So that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later. Oh, and I always forget to beg for subscribers, and I have to put a little tag or something on there, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Talk to everybody later.